Right then, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Little Rover convertible. Here she is, look. Drove in. There you go. Nice, smart, bright looking Rover 200 series. Super sensible bit of summer fun for you without breaking the bank. So I think you've got a chip in the windscreen, look. It's not terrible, but it's there, hence the sticker on the other side. Good top, good roof. Bit of age-related wear on the driver's seat, but other than that, interior looks pretty good. Wouldn't hurt with a bit of a wipe out, but 75 on the clock. Look, automatic this one. Starts on the button just as it should, sounds as it should. As I say, some aftermarket wheels, some good tyres, and good little four-seater convertible. Honda powered, look, Honda powered this one, not the good old K series, Honda power. So there you are. Come along, have a closer look. Thank you.